words that you can see are you and me. But the painting that John Langdon created is called Us. And then I think it was Lon, wasn't it, who said he saw you inside of me, as earlier he may have seen love inside of hate, or evil, good inside of evil, evil inside of good. These are switching the way they're presented to us in the images. Or maybe there are archetypal patterns here, so that each one of us can see from any of these perspectives and challenge, whether any of you are familiar with the Johari diagram, and I don't have it in a set of slides. It's Johari, but it's a very interesting diagram as to, it's a 4-quadrant diagram. There are and I think it's not on what we see, but what we know, what you and I both know, or perhaps it's what you and I both see, what you see and I don't see, or what you know and I don't know, what I know and you don't know, or what I see and you don't see. And then there's what neither one of us knows or sees. Really interesting to play with that one.